This is our Noah story bag. God told Noah to build an ark. Noah said, well, what shall I make it of? And God said, go for wood. And Noah said, well, yeah, I'm going to get some wood, but what wood shall I use? So God said, go for wood. So people thought that Noah was mad, because why build a big boat? But he obeyed God and did as God had told him. When the ark was built, God told Noah to get his family on board and 2 of every kind of animal with enough food for everyone. When all were safely on board, it started to rain. And it rained and it rained and it rained for 40 days until the waters covered the whole of the earth and there was no land left. Noah sent out a dove, and eventually it came back with a leaf, so that Noah knew that there was land again, so that he could let all the animals back out of the ark when there was enough dry land. God made a promise to Noah with a rainbow that he would never flood the earth again.